we have done till 9th question of exercise 6.2. Now we'll be doing the 10th question. The diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD. So what is given as quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at point O. That means AC and BD are intersecting at O. Show that, and also one condition is given, AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. So the previous questions ka converse hai. Show that ABCD is a trapezium. In 9th question, it was given it's a trapezium. And we have to prove AO by BO equal to CO by DO. So it's just the converse. Given AO by BO equal to CO by DO, and we have to prove it's a trapezium. Okay. So exercise 6.2, the last question, 10th question. Show that it's a trapezium. So I'm drawing it as a trapezium, and let's see how it is proved as a trapezium. And the two diagonals are intersecting at O. Intersecting at O. So given, you can clearly write quadrilateral ABCD is given, and AC and BD are intersect at O. This much is given. To prove, what do you have to prove? ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. So make clear given and prove in such question. 9th and 10th, 7th and 8th, 7th ka converse hai 8th. So make it very clear what is given and prove. So given hai, it's a quadrilateral. The diagonals are intersecting at O. Also it's given, and also AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Ye bhi diya hai. This is also given condition. To prove ABCD is a trapezium. So let's write the proof. Kaise hoga? Proof. What we do is, we know that these two are intersecting at O. So hum ek construction karenge, a parallel line through O which is parallel to AB. We don't know whether it's parallel to CD. Let's make a line A, B, C, D, E, O, E. So we'll write, draw OE parallel to AB. Parallel to AB, I am drawing OE. So ye dono parallel ho gaya. If these two lines are parallel, we know we can apply BPT. So what will come BPT? If you are forgetting about this line, ye agar nahi hai to, look, it's very clear, it's a triangle. These two are parallel. We can apply CO by OA is equal to CE by EB. So in triangle CAB, in triangle CAB, OE is parallel to AB. Therefore, CO upon OA is equal to CE upon EB. Put it as 1 by BPT. By BPT. By BPT, CO upon OA is equal to CE upon EB. Keep it there. Okay. Now, but given, kya diya hai? But given, what is given? CO by DO is equal to AO by BO. But given CO by DO is equal to AO by BO. That implies, in the 9th question I told you the ratio rule, that you can bring AO down. So it will come, that implies CO by AO is equal to DO by BO. I am putting it as statement number 2. Look at the statement number 2 and statement number 1. Statement number 1 we got through BPT. Statement number 2 we got by the given data. Look at the given data. मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, AO को इधर ले लिया. CO by AO is equal to DO by BO. Now look at 1 and 2. If you look at 1 and 2, you can see the LHS are common. CO by AO. So right side will be equal. So we can write from 1 and 2. What will happen? From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Right sides will be equal. What is it? CE upon EB is equal to DO upon BO. Look at the figure. CE upon EB is equal to DO upon OB. What does it mean? OE is parallel to CD. Therefore, OE is parallel to CD by converse of BPT. BPT is converse, you know, if ratios are equal, DO by OB is equal to CE by EB. So OE is parallel to DC. Since OE is parallel to CD, look at this, but already AB is parallel to OE. अभी आप ये देखो, OE is parallel to CD, AB is parallel to OE. ये इसका पैरेलल है, ये इसका पैरेलल है, मतलब ये दोनों पैरेलल हो गया. Therefore, what two will be parallel? AB will be parallel to CD. Therefore, AB will be parallel to CD. AB अगर parallel to CD होगा, so it's a trapezium. Therefore, AB is parallel to CD. Therefore, ABCD is a trapezium. Hope you understood the thing. We are just constructing OE and taking this triangle, we are applying BPT. We know that since OE is parallel to AB, CO by OA is equal to CE by OB. Second statement we are getting from the given. From 1 and 2, we can prove DO by OB is equal to CE by EB, which shows OE is parallel to DC. AB parallel to OE, OE parallel to CD, so AB parallel to CD, so it's a trapezium. So with this, BPT related questions are done. You can try extra questions from the module. Now we are going to the second concept. मैंने पहले ही बोल दिया, the overview, first is similarity, then comes BPT. So 2 concepts we have completed, now 3 more are there. The next one is conditions of similarity, criteria or conditions for similarity. So we are going to the second concept. I will explain you the criteria and the related questions we will be doing. Okay. Conditions. Conditions or criteria for similarity. Conditions or criteria for similarity. What are the conditions and criteria for similarity? For 2 triangles to be similar, triangle ABC corresponds to triangle DEF. When can you say these 2 triangles are similar? अगर 2 triangle है, we are comparing it. When can you say 2 triangles are similar? If angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F, and also AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF is equal to AC upon DF. All the corresponding angles are equal and all the corresponding sides are proportional. Then we can say the triangles are similar. So total 6 elements are coming. We can shorten it as we learned in congruency. Actually, there are 3 sides has to be congruent, corresponding sides, and 3 corresponding angles has to be congruent. उसको छोटा बना के हम लोग SAS condition से SSS condition है. The same way, I can make the first, there is a condition, first one, if 3 corresponding angles are congruent, 3 corresponding angles are congruent. अगर इसको और shorten कर सकते, तीनों angles equal है, even 2 angles are equal, the third one अपने आप से equal ही होगा, तो इसको और shorten कर सकते, even if angle are congruent, 2 corresponding angles, 3 corresponding angles are congruent, even if, I can use the word even if 2 angles are congruent, third one, even if 2 sides are proportional, all 3 sides are proportional, fourth, if 2 sides are proportional and included angle is congruent. ये चारों कंडीशन में फर्स्ट वन वी कॉल इट एज AAA condition. Second one is AA, which is very important. Though angle अगर corresponding angles are equal, then the triangles are similar. Then comes SSS. Three sides are proportional, not congruent. Three sides अगर proportional है तो भी तो similarity हो जाएगा. And two sides are proportional and included angle SAS, not SSA. SAS है तो these four conditions में the triangle will be the triangles will be similar. So no need of all the 6 conditions to be satisfied. हमको छोटा कर सकते हैं. 3 angles अगर corresponding, very important, this is corresponding. This word has to be used in everything. Corresponding angles are congruent. Even if 2 corresponding angles are equal, I mean congruent. Even if 2 corresponding sides are 3 corresponding sides are proportional. If 2 sides are proportional, corresponding sides are proportional and included angle are congruent. That means AAA, AA, SSS and SAS. In all such cases, triangles will be similar. You can read through the theorem in the textbook, 6.3, 6.4, all these things says the different criteria for similarity of triangles. You can just read it. It's not with proof. 6.3. 6.3 is angle, angle, angle. Then 6.4 is angle, angle. I think it is SSS. Then AA is corollary result. Then comes 6.5. That is SAS. So these conditions are explained. I mean, just you have to read the theory part of it. No need of learning the proof, क्योंकि proof के साथ नहीं है आपका syllabus में. Now let's come to the 6.3. 6.3, I think you will have to, I can just see, look at the figure and say, you have to keep your textbook in hand and then just go through it. Main question number 1. Look at the figures and say whether it is similar or not. Look at the first question. It's very clear, triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar क्योंकि all 3 corresponding angles are equal. By which theory? By AAA. 60, 60, 80, 80, 40, 40. By AAA. First is similar. Come to the second one. ABC and PQR. You can see AB का twice हो गया QR, BC का twice हो गया PR, AC का twice हो गया PQ. That means all 3 sides are proportional. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Not in this order. A, B, C will be similar to QRP. A, B, C will be similar to QRP. So in that order, it is similar. It is similar. Come to the third one. Third one, 2.74, 2, 5, 3, 6. No, it is not. Come to the fourth question. You can see very clearly 2.5 has become 5, 5 has become 10. And included angle are equal. दोनों के बीच में एक angle है 70 degrees. So by SAS, fourth figures are similar. Come to the fifth question. Fifth question में 2.5 has become 5, 3 has become 6. लेकिन angle included नहीं है. एक first one is yes, it is also included. It is included. So fifth one is also similar. Yes. And come to the sixth question. 70, 80. So you know the third one will be 30. So 80, 30, 80, 30. The sixth question is figures are also similar. So first one you can speak whether it is similar or not and the conditions. Come to the main question number 2. 6.3 main question number 2. Exercise 6.3 main question number 2. What is said is in figure 6.35, a figure is given there. It's AB, this is O, this is 125 degree, this is 70 degree and it is DC, okay. 2 triangles are given similar. Which are the 2 triangles given similar? Triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA. ODC is similar to ODA. BOC is 125. CDO 70 degree. Find DOC. DOC. You can write angle D. In this angle D will be similar, equal to angle B. Since these two triangles are similar, you know, their corresponding angles are equal. So what will be the corresponding angle of this? This I can write it as angle D will be equal to angle B. So angle D is 70 degree. So what will be angle B? Angle B का नाम क्या है? OBA. ODC and OBA will be equal. है ना, करस्पॉन्डिंग पार्ट्स ऑफ सिमिलर ट्राइंगल्स, करस्पॉन्डिंग CPCT हम लोग लास्ट ईयर पढ़ा था, करस्पॉन्डिंग पार्ट्स ऑफ कॉन्ग्रुएंट ट्राइंगल्स, द सेम वे करस्पॉन्डिंग पार्ट्स ऑफ सिमिलर ट्राइंगल्स. सो ये 70 डिग्री है. सो आर दे आस्किंग OBA, OAB दे आर आस्किंग. ओके, सो OBA वी गॉट 70 डिग्री. तो ये हमें 70 डिग्री मिला. Okay, this we got. Now you know this is 125, so this will be linear pair. तो कितना होगा? 180 minus 125 will be 55. Then they are asking DOC. DOC. अगर ये 55 है तो this also you can find out angle DOC. Angle DOC is 180 minus 125, which is 55 degree. So second answer भी first answer मिल गया, DOC मिल गया. Second DCO. So this is 55 and this is 70 degree. You can find out this. So angle DCO is equal to 180 minus 70 plus 55. कितना होगा? 180 minus 125 कितना है? 55 degree. So second answer also you got. Then OAB. अगर ये 70 है, ये 55 है, we know vertically opposite angle 70. So OAB, angle OAB will be 180 minus 55 plus 70 degree, which is also equal to 55 degree. So we got all the three angles. Since the triangles are similar, the corresponding angles are equal. So second one is done. Now come to the third question. Third main question of 6.3. Third main question of 6.3. Diagonals AC and BD of trapezium ABCD. Trapezium ABCD. AB is parallel to CD. It's given. The diagonals are intersecting at O. Using similarity criterion for both the triangles, show that OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. Now since this is trapezium, if we consider these two triangles, अगर मैं ये दोनों triangle को consider करेंगे, how can you prove their similarity? We just have to prove two angles are equal. It's very simple. Look at angle 1. Angle 1 will be equal to angle 2. Why? Angle 1 and angle 2 are alternate angles. Since these two lines are parallel, they are alternate angles. Another angle we can take angle 3 equal to angle 4. Why? Vertically opposite angle. So by AA, this triangle and this triangle are similar. Similar hai to sides will be proportional. So we can write in triangle DOC and triangle BOA, ये दोनों triangle. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Why? Reason we will write alternate angles. Alternate angles. Since what? ये दोनों parallel है. AB parallel to CD. इसीलिए alternate angles equal हो गया. Angle 3 equal to angle 4. Vertically opposite angles. I am writing in short way form. You have to write in elaborately. Vertically opposite angle. So since these two angles, इधर का दो angle equal है. So therefore triangle DOC is similar to triangle BOA. Reason is AA criteria. AA criteria के हिसाब से ये दो triangles are similar. Now let's go to the corresponding sides. What we want to prove? OA by OC. Look at it. OA by OC. Therefore, OA by OC is equal to OB upon OD. OB upon OD. Very simple. OB upon OD. You can write the reason. Corresponding parts of similar triangles are proportional. Agar two triangles are similar, then the sides will be proportional. Angles will be equal. So thus, the third question is done. Come to the fourth question. Some questions in this exercise I'll be giving you as homework, because 100% doing is not, it will be killing your imagination and thinking power. Few maximum 75% of the sums I'll do from this exercise. Remaining few questions you have to do, and it's most of the cases it's coming AA. Agar two angles equal hai, so it will be similar, that's all. Come to the fourth question. Come to the fourth question. Fourth question ऐसा है कि question is T, Q, R, then PS is parallel, PS and PR is joined. This is angle 2 and this is angle 1. I think it's given angle 1 equal to angle 2. That's all. What do you want to prove? PQS. PQS. Look at the small triangle PQS is similar to TQR. PQS is similar to TQR. Okay. And also given QR upon QS is equal to QT upon PR. So given and prove that, it's very simple to write in triangle this, given things you will write as given, show that it's very clear to prove that. Let's come to the proof. So proof mein, first let us start with the given thing. What is given here? Given, kya given hai? QR upon QS is equal to QT upon PR. Given, put it as 1. This is given. Now, also given angle 1 equal to angle 2. Look at the figure, angle 2, 1 and angle 2. Two angles are equal, then opposite sides will be equal. So PQ will be equal to what? PR. Therefore, PQ is equal to PR. You can write the reason. Sides opposite to equal angles. Opposite to equal angles. Okay, PQ equal to. Now this I can substitute in the first one. Substituting this, substituting in 1, what will happen? Ye PR ke jagah pe I can write PQ. So it will come QR upon QS is equal to QT upon PR ke jagah pe. Let me write PQ or QP. So QP. Put it as statement number 2. Now look here. You can write QR upon QS. QR upon QS is equal to QT upon QP. Now I can just, I'll not name it as 2. I'll do a small, taking things here and there. QR upon QT. Okay, QR upon QS is also fine. QR upon QS is equal to QT upon QP. Also, angle Q equal to angle Q. Identity congruence. Everything is congruent to itself. Just look at this third and fourth statement. Third and fourth statement. From third and fourth statement, what are you getting? If I am separating this triangle into 2, a small way, I'll just separate it. The small triangle is PQS and the big triangle is, this is Q only, this is T and R. अभी आप देखिए ये कैसे similar होगा. Q तो common है, दोनों में Q common है, and what's coming? QR upon QS is equal to QT upon QP. That means these two sides are proportional and these two sides are proportional and included angle are equal. So QR upon QS is equal to QT upon QP and angle Q equal to angle Q. So 3 and 4 suggest which criteria? Very clear, it is SAS. From 3 and 4, by 3 and 4, criteria is by SAS criteria. So by SAS criteria, which two triangles will be similar? Triangle, whatever they have given, the same name we can use. They are given triangle PQS. Triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. Okay, this is the fourth question. Now, the fifth question, I would suggest you can go for your homework or your self work, and it is very simple. One angle is given. One angle is given and one angle you will get. So by AA, you can clearly prove these two triangles are similar. So please do this fifth question. I would come to sixth question. Sixth. Sixth is in figure 6.37. It's a figure provided there. ABC, DE here. Okay, what is given? Triangle ABE is congruent to ACD. ABE is congruent to ACD. It's given triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. Okay, two triangles are given congruent. Show that ADE is similar to ABC. A chota triangle ADE is similar to the big one ABC. You have to prove it. Okay, to prove you can write. Now let's come to the proof. Now if you observe that triangle ADE and triangle ABC, you can see one angle which is common. दोनों में angle A है, तो one angle we got. If we could prove the two sides, वो जो A को include कर रहे हैं, वो दोनों side कौन सा होगा? छोटे ट्राइंगल में AD, बड़े ट्राइंगल में AB, छोटे में AE, बड़े में AC. These two are proportional. If we can show, it's very clear that it will be by SAS, it will be similar. So let's see. Let's start with the given thing. ABE is congruent to ACD. Given. Okay. Triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. Given. Therefore, AB will be equal to AC. AB will be equal to AC. I am putting it as statement number 1. AB and AC are equal or congruent. They are equal in length or they are congruent. Then another side AB and AC are congruent. दूसरा आता है AD is congruent to AE. AD and AE are congruent. So I'll write also AD is equal to AE. अगर x equal to y है तो y equal to x भी है. So what does this means? AE is equal to AD. Put it as statement number 2. AD, AE is equal to, I'm sorry. Here AD is equal to AE. Okay. Here AE is equal to AD. That means AD is equal to AE. Now look at this first and second. If we divide it, what are we getting? From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. I'm just dividing AB upon AD. AB upon AD is nothing but equal to AC upon AE. These are some simple ratio rules. You know children, A equal to B and C equal to D. So A by C will be equal to B by D. This by this equal to this by the same way. This equal to this equal to this. AB by AD is equal to AC by AE. Look at the figure. AB by AD, AB by AD is equal to AC by AE. Also, ये दोनों के बीच में जो angle है, that is equal. Angle A equal to angle A. Therefore, triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC by which criteria? SAS criteria. Two sides are proportional. Two sides are proportional and including angle are equal. ये बड़ा ट्राइंगल और छोटा ट्राइंगल आप देखो. बड़ा ट्राइंगल का साइड अपॉन छोटा ट्राइंगल का साइड. That is proportional. बड़ा छोटा दोनों के बीच में angle A is equal. So they are proportional by SAS. Seventh question, again, it's all AA. You can try it. So I'm giving seventh question also as homework. You can do it. Now let's do the eighth one. Eighth one.